So welcome to Morocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder, creator of Morocco Method International. So I want to talk to you about the 5 types of hair on the body. So hair is very, very, very special. So number 1, we have hair on our head, crown chakra. This is number 1. 2, eyebrows, eyelashes, nose, ears. Second type of hair. 3rd, the beard. Yep, and even the ladies, when you get older, you'll start having facial hair a little bit. My grandmas did. 4, the body hair. Hair on the body. And 5, pubic hair. 5th type of hair. It's 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 elements, 5 senses: fire, air, earth, water, ether. Now, ether is what I teach: ethereal, Qigong, medical, ethereal, Qigong. But getting back to the 5 types of hairs, why do we have 5 fingers? Why do we have 5 toes, 5 senses, 5 elements, 5 types of hair on the body? Very mysterious. Well, to translate it is that these types of hairs, 5, are doing 5 different types of work for us: physically, emotionally, mentally, energetically, and ethereally. So we have a physical body, emotional body, intellectual body, thought, energy body, and always the divine, the mysterious, the magic, which is ether. Fire, air, earth, water, ether. So we really want to be very aware of our hair on our body. We want to cleanse our body. We want to be nice and calm and relaxed in the emotional body. We want to have clear thinking, which we teach in medical Qigong, being neutral. And then, of course, energy. We want the highest energy levels possible. Well, there's my dog. There's Fiore, sniffing around. She's so sweet. And we want to have the ether, the most powerful chi that there is.